get the paint?
Yes, sir.
Good girl.
I got the back of the car open so we can get it out.
Now, Marie, I'm only doing this because it's your house.
Nobody's gonna buy this, Marie.
What?
Nobody's gonna buy this.
I'm gonna sell tickets to this. Hey, Chris.
I don't photograph well. I'm not photogenically.
Make sure they get
What
this.
we do is this grass is rolling. We've got a roller that goes behind our tractor.
Well,
We
well,
start with our-
Peggy's coming. What time do you,
I'll see you guys at closing.
later on?
Okay.
What time do you want me to come by the office? I need to run back into Beaumont here in a little while.
Oh, I gotta go to Beaumont, I gotta go to see Lamar for the Hastings house. Where are you going from here?
From here, back to the house, pick up the bill, and then downtown to go pay it probably.
Right now,
Even if I'm in closing, get to a phone where I can call you right back, because I can use one of their.
Get out of my way.
Well, at least the Burns had some coffee going in. It was nice enough to come in hot cup of coffee.
When? This morning?
Just while we're out.
Well, they're moved in. This is not even my house yet. I can't make coffee in it. It's not mine.
It will be if you'll go ahead and close here a little bit.
That's it.
Well, see, and I'm rushing it up. I'm going 4 whole more
That's
hours.
so different from what you're usually like.
Hello, Painter Glenn.
You know, if you shut that door, it won't be so
Hello,
cold.
Painter Glenn.
Hello.
Look at me.
He's trying to paint.
Oh, I don't want to disturb him then.
Oh.
Always griping about paint and messing with paint. Bonus room, top trim. Bonus room. That's it right there.
Next time you put a tail rail up, put a wider one up.
Is that right?
Thank you.
I thought it was.
Put a wider one up.
No, he's doing it, see?
Oh, okay.
I thought it was supposed to be wider. Do you need to take it down and start over?
He's gonna take the door
I'm gonna strangle you
Yeah,
on
I
the
agree.
video camera. Yeah, he's gonna take the door shut.
You can't even walk through the face anymore.
Oh, yeah, I always do
Do you?
Yeah, no, I don't have any problem with the face.
What's the deal there?
Huh?
Still, you said, hey, what?
I don't know, that's a crappy joint on your part.
Hey, there you go, thank you. I did good. Yes, you did. Richard did.
Oh, Richard was cutting, all you had to do
No.
was make it a little bit too long, but.
Really good, my gosh.
Hello, Richard. Get a before and after here.
Mm-hmm.
Before move in and after.
Did you find some behind my truck seat?
no, I already had some. You probably got some more, I'm sure. I had some.
Which video on the floor?
Don't have a before and
Somebody
after.
in there.
Sure is.
You scared me, didn't you? I'm not gonna be able to see in here unless I turn the light.
Wow. Looking things are around and glowing.
So how did it turn out, Darren, with the daughter?
There, and it was up to you.
I asked Darren how it turned out with the daughter and the Christmas party.
Oh, it's turned out just fine.
Okay.
Out of 4 parents, I'm the only one that raised them down. All of them sat there like they was scared to say anything.
Yeah.
Man, I did all the time. Everybody shook my hand with that, like thanks, you know.
I'm just videoing real quick, Dan. I'll be through in just a second. Ouch. All the commode lids are up for some reason. Ooh.